The Lagos State Governor, Sanwo-Olu, is appealing to residents to obey the non-pharmaceutical guidelines of COVID-19 and reduce the positive cases of the virus. Here is the update on the third wave in the state.
Many residents in Lagos State are going about their normal activities without the use of face masks, forgetting that coronavirus is still very much around. Non-adherence to safety protocols in the state has resulted to 135 fatalities in the current third wave of the pandemic. Governor Sanwo-Olu is appealing to residents to obey the safety protocols.
The test positivity rates that we're currently seeing now, the last time we had this press conference, we're suspecting I was getting about 7% then. Now it's about 12.1%. from a 1.1% in June of 2021, meaning that for every 100 tests that we do, we get about 12 people that are infected, and we'll continue to do the testing in large numbers. We have identified that the third wave emerged on account of non-adherence to the laid-down health protocols that was designed to mitigate the flow of the pandemic. For this reason, it is essential for me to once again remind all of us of the huge responsibility we have to contribute at fighting and defeating this virus. Over the course of managing the pandemic, about 5,551 patients have so far been admitted into our various isolation centers in Lagos, and unfortunately we've recorded over 500 fatality to date, actually about 506. 135 had actually happened within this third wave.
While briefing the public, the governor explains that the use of oxygen for critical patients is also on the rise, and the state will be rolling out the second phase of vaccination exercise in 150 centers.
I'm sure you know that oxygen is a vital requirement for the management of the most severe cases that we've seen. We have indeed seen a gradual increase in the uptake of oxygen during this pandemic, from a utilization of about 75 bottles per day at the beginning of this third wave, which was about 3 weeks ago. Now we're seeing about 400 cylinders of oxygen being used per day. So we're exploring several ways of increasing our oxygen capacity. We received a total of about 299,992 doses of the Moderna on the 18th of August. They announced that they were going to give us 601,000, but they've not given us the entire 601,000, based on their own logistics, at the federal level. But we've received just a little over 300,000 right now. And I'm happy to announce that from Wednesday, on the 25th, we'll commence the vaccination at over 150 centers across the state. The increase in the number of centers compared to the first round of vaccination is because we want to prevent gathering of a crowd in large number, and to ensure that even the vaccination program itself does not constitute a super spreader event.
The Lagos State government is again appealing to residents to follow all non-pharmaceutical guidelines and win the battle against COVID-19.